Check the inlet pipe and drain pipe. The drain pipe should have a diameter of 4 inches. The elbow drain pipe should extend 2 centimeters below the floor and have a pipe extension of 100 centimeters long. The threaded inlet pipe should be ½ inch in diameter, 20 centimeters above the floor, and to the left of the drain pipe outlet, about 15 centimeters. Attach a 1½ inch diameter ventilator pipe to the drain pipe. Assemble the parts for the water tank that were not pre-assembled at the factory. 1. Insert the bolts into the tank with washer and nut, then tighten firmly. 2. Assemble and install the inlet pipe set with float ball. 3. Assemble and install the outlet pipe set. 4. Connect the refill tube from the inlet pipe to the outlet pipe. 5. Install the flush handle set and adjust the open/close line from the handle to the stopper. 6. Inspect each part element and place the rubber seal on the outlet under the water tank. That's all there is to it. Next, attach the tank and seat to the toilet. Then align the assembled toilet with the drain pipe. Then draw a line on the floor around the base of the toilet. Set the toilet aside and apply white cement on the floor following the line drawn. Place the toilet on top of the white cement and align it properly. Make sure the toilet is level. Then finish the surface of the white cement. Install the stop valve and connect the inlet hose to the tank.